Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel and welcome back to our Korean vocabulary by alphabet series. In this video, we are going to learn some must-know Korean words that start with the letter Cheer. We have already learned some very essential Korean words that begin with the letter Kyo, Nien, Tigit, Lie, Miem, Piep, Shiot, Ian, and Cheer. So, if you have not watched any of these videos yet, then please go and watch them if you want to enhance your Korean vocabulary. I'll share the link of this particular playlist consisting of all these videos in the description so that it becomes easier for you to have an access to these videos. And especially if you are appearing for topic exam, the topic test, the first level, second level, or any of the levels, then I strongly recommend you to go through these vocabulary videos because they are going to be really helpful for you to enhance your vocabulary, to do a quick revision, and then you'll be very, very confident in the vocabulary section of this language. Okay? Now, in this video, as I said earlier, let's learn some essential Korean words that begin with the letter Chip. Book, 책, 책. Window, 창문, 창문. Bed, 침대, 침대. Jeans, 청바지, 청바지. Tea, 차, 차. Soccer or football. 축구, 축구. Gun, 총, 총. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. As you can see, it is a loan word, as chocolate is the transliteration of the English word chocolate. Okay? Toothpaste, 치약, 치약. Dance, 춤, 춤. Friend, 친구, 친구. As we all know, this is a very common and popular Korean word, right? Grassland, 초원, 초원. Sparrow, 참새, 참새. Charger, 충전기, 충전기. Dentistry, 치과, 치과. Dentist, 치과 의사, 치과 의사. We have just seen right now, 치과 is the Korean word for dentistry. Now, a person who specializes in this field is called a dentist. So, 치과 의사. 의사 we know is the Korean word for doctor. So, a doctor who specializes in the field of dentistry is a dentist. So, therefore, we have attached this Korean word for doctor 의사 to the word for dentistry 치과. Okay, this is very practical, right? You can easily understand how we have framed the Korean word for dentist. First comes the name of the field in which the particular doctor specializes, that is the field dentistry, and then comes the suffix for doctor. So dentist, 치과 의사. Okay? Desk, 책상, 책상. Cheese, 치즈, 치즈. This one is a loan word. As you can very easily understand that 치즈 is the transliteration of this word cheese. Festival, 축제, 축제. Angel, 천사, 천사. Second, 조, 조. Here we are talking about the unit of time, second. Okay? Garage, 차고, 차고. Bedroom, 침실, 침실. Bookshelf, 책장, 책장. Doorbell, 초인종, 초인종. Gymnastics, 체조, 체조. Skirt, 치마, 치마. Elementary school, 초등학교, 초등학교. We all know that the Korean word for school is 학교. So, for elementary school, it's very easy to remember. You have to attach 초등 as a prefix to 학교. Okay? And it becomes 초등학교. Relative, 친척, 친척. Asthma, 천식, 천식. Toothbrush, 칫솔, 칫솔. Iron, 철, 철. Cheetah, cheetah, cheetah. This one is also a loan word, as cheetah is the transliteration of this word cheetah. Okay? Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. We have covered some very essential Korean words that start with cheer. But we all know that there are many more words. So, can you think of any other Korean words that begin with cheer? If so, then please do share them in the comments and let's make this list even longer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next letter in our series. Thank you.